Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Susan Joki of Studio Bits and Crafts. Today I'll be teaching us how to make this lovely scarfinator. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. Subscribe my channel to get more videos on turban caps and fascinator, scarfinator. Base, we'll be needing 23 inches wide by 18 inches length. We cut that and set that aside. We also need a pair of 5.5 inches wide by 9 inches length for tying our scapular. Go to the sewing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. We will be pleating our material, about making about 3 to 4 pleats. First of all, you will be sewing the edge of the material.
Don't forget to leave the pizza covered in here because
Are well aligned and your materials are not bending. We finish making 4 pleats. Sewing down the 3 edges. We sew this down, sew this down, sew the edges down to make it very neat. Finish sewing the 3 edges together. This sewing is so very neat, very neat. Making the handle for our scarfinator. Fold your fabric into two, right side facing each other. Fold it along the 5.5 inches. Then you sew along this side to this side. When you finish sewing, then you turn it out to the right side. Just watch what I'm doing. Be careful so that you won't lose this sewing. I've turned it to the right side. for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell button beside the subscribe button to get notified anytime I post my new videos. Like, comment, and share this video. Please comment, watch out for my next video on how to make this beautiful rose and how to attach it to my Scarfinator. Please connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at Sujo Beats and Crafts. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.